Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure the watch has at least 50% charge and sits within a few meters of the iPhone. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the iPhone and confirm you are signed into your Apple ID. This allows iCloud sync. Now open the watch app and tap Start Pairing. Point the iPhone camera at the watch animation. You will see a confirmation ring. Hold steady until pairing initiates. Then follow the on-screen prompts to continue. You now decide how to configure the watch. Choose Restore from Backup to bring previous settings or Set up as new for a clean start. After selection, create a watch passcode to protect data and make sure health, location, and notification permissions are enabled so features work correctly. Next, choose Cellular if supported, add cards to Apple Pay, and opt into automatic app installs so frequently used iPhone apps reach the watch. Wait, sync runs in background. Expect several minutes for apps and health data. You finish by confirming the sync is complete, check that notifications arrive, calls route to the watch, and health metrics appear. Next, customize the watch face, adjust complications, and reorganize apps within the watch app to suit daily use. Make sure Do Not Disturb and Focus settings match your preferences. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Restart both devices. If that fails, reset network settings on the iPhone or unpair, and repair the watch to clear the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.